Good morning, welcome to today, March 3rd, 2022, Thursday, 6:16 a.m. in New York, and getting ready for another day and trying to figure out how the market will handle. Mr. Powell yesterday said that he is going to propose 25 basis points rate hike on the next meeting this month, and also trying to figure out how the market is going to react in next couple of sessions. We are on the second week after the Russia and Ukraine situation and war. So let's try to figure out, see how the market is handling right now. Looking for the markets, we are and looking for the SP 500 and Nasdaq down between the SP 500 right now down 0.10%, Nasdaq down 0.25%, after a big bounce up following Mr. Powell comments. So after yesterday, we saw here a very big spike after Mr. Powell comments, printing higher highs, higher lows, and basically stalled exactly where it should, near the 21-day moving average. So we are pretty much close here, and the range is getting tight. I believe in the next couple of sessions we should have a break one way or the other. Bull case needs above the 8-day moving average, needs above 4,400 on SP 500. Breaking above can trigger a big short squeeze all the way for 100 points higher. Otherwise, we can keep here the range, okay? But while we are above yesterday lows, I believe yesterday lows are the key level and the key support from Mr. Powell comments, and I will keep the not saying bull case because we are still on a bear market, but giving here a chance for a possible continuation up after this last week upside move. Looking for Nasdaq, exactly the same thing. It's stalled and it's getting very tight right now. Here inside on a tight range, what I'm wanting to do is to watch if we are going to get out of this range, either for upside or if we break below here. We have yesterday lows. Same thing as SP 500. Yesterday lows will be my key level, my key support from Mr. Powell comments, okay? I will keep yesterday as my key support. If we break below yesterday lows, then I'll be extremely bearish, looking for a rollover. Otherwise, looking for a possible resume in next couple of sessions. Apple is going to have an event next week, March 2022. So yesterday it had a nice reaction to those news, and stalled exactly where it should, the 21-day moving average. So the 21-day moving average 167.44. Yesterday highs of the day 167.36. So very close. Now what needs to hold above 165 on a tight range. Bull case above 167 can trigger a move into $170. When this move will be invalidated, exactly the same thing as I told before, only below yesterday low. So if basically we give back all yesterday move and go below 162, I will be bearish. Otherwise, for now, while we are above 165, I keep the bull case at least for now intact. AMD yesterday it bounced, but still printing an inside the Tuesday big candle. I'm waiting for a resolution, looking for AMD, looking for NVDA. Bull case, bulls needs above 120, bears needs below 113. So waiting here for a resolution one way or the other. AMD and NVDA also. Yesterday NVDA saw some bullish options activity, waiting to see if it's able to give an upside potentially here above 247. So breakout point on NVIDIA above 247 to go into top 50 260, keeping the bull case while we are above 234. That will be my line in the sand. If we break below 234, then I'll be looking 231, and below that can get very ugly. But once again, yesterday, in my opinion, it was a very, very important point. Why? Also, financials had a big reversal buy. So Citigroup reversal buy from yesterday lows. I want to see if financials are able to hold here some of that momentum going forward. Citigroup closed around $59 right now on the pre-market at 59. If it goes above 59, I'll be looking for a possible gap filling at 61, and above that it can stall here at the 8-day moving average 61.2. Okay, so with that I will also be looking for another financial, JP Morgan, for a possible gap filling here at $140.80. That's one of the possible areas next. Above that, 142, 144 can be the next area if the momentum holds. When I'll become bearish, same thing as I told you before, yesterday lows in my opinion are the key support. So 136.6, yesterday lows will be my key support also on JP Morgan. Other names that I have on watch, yesterday Facebook gave a nice reversal buy, okay, trying to hold above $200 yesterday. 202 were bought again, and right now on the pre-market 207. Want to see if 207 holds for a red to green move, needs a move above 211, 213. Those are the levels to try to go into 220. So keeping here an attempt for a resume up. Day one, yes, let's see if we are able to get a day two continuation for a resume up bounce versus $202. Bear case below $202, looking for a rollover below $200, but keeping here the chance for a day two continuation. GameStop also yesterday caught my attention. Saw some bullish options activity on the name, and printed a reversal buy versus the 8-day moving average. So 116 is the level to hold for now. Right now at 120 on the pre-market, I want to see if 120 holds for a red to green move. Above 123, looking here for a possible move. It has 125, 126, and above that $130 is the next big level in my opinion. So keeping GameStop to see if it's able to get some momentum. IWM yesterday also showed some relative strength, okay, actually printing a higher high so far, okay, above 204, gone all the way into 205. I want to see if the momentum is able to keep going, but we are getting near a supply zone. So if you are long, in my opinion, it should be trimming profits on this move up. Above 205.3 can go all the way into 206, 209. Those are big levels, but there, in my opinion, it should be taking profits. Support, yesterday lows, exactly the same thing, $200. Yesterday lows is the key support in the short term, in my opinion, not only for IWM, but also for the cubes, okay? So cubes, also following Mr. Powell comments, had a nice pop here, printing a higher low, higher highs during the day. What I want to see, if we are able to get a follow-through continuation. What do I mean with that? It's at 346. I want to see if 346 holds, and if it's able to go from red to green, going all the way into the next level, 349, 350. That is the level that I'm looking for a possible stall, okay? If it fails below 346, then I'll be looking to see 344, and same thing as the rest of the names, yesterday lows are my key level for now. So around $340, that's my key support on the cubes, and also on the SPY, yesterday lows is very important. All the names bounced after Mr. Powell comments, okay? So I want to see if the momentum keeps holding. The SPY hit the 21-day moving average almost to the perfection. So the 21-day moving average 439.71, yesterday highs 439.72. So basically missed the 21-day moving average by 1 cent, gone a little bit above 1 cent above 21-day moving average. So those machines are working very, very well. Now what I want to see, 437.5 on the pre-market. I want to see if 437 holds. And if it's able to go above 440, it can trigger a squeeze into 445 on the SPYs. Otherwise, if not able to go and stay above 439, and if it goes below 437, looking here for first support 434.8, that's the 8-day moving average, and below that yesterday lows 431.5. When I'll become bearish if we break below yesterday lows, 431.5. Once again, Mr. Powell comments were the trigger yesterday. I want to see today how the market will handle and if it's able to react for some more continuation following yesterday comments. Square I also had to the watch list. It's playing here a kind trying to flag a little bit after the reaction from those earnings and waiting to see if 118 holds. Okay, we have a range between 118 $130. Looking here to see if the range holds. If it breaks below 118, we have 113. That's the next logical support. Tesla yesterday, and I've been trading Tesla. I shorted Tesla on Tuesday. I shorted Tesla yesterday, only for cash flow. Get in, get out, get my money and go back into cash. Yesterday, during lunchtime, we got a bullish reversal in engulfing day. Okay, not engulfing, but a bullish reversal day here, exactly here, playing for some upside. Day one yesterday. I want to see if today is able to break. Needs above 890. Above 890, it should go $25 up into the next level above $900. So Tesla, it will be also a focus today. Of course, all this needs volatility to fade. Volatility is still too much elevated in my opinion. So what that can make it a little bit harder for us to decide what's next, because we have big moves up and down also. So one of the important things is to manage your risk wisely, to reduce your risk during volatile periods, stay mostly cash overnight, and be mentally prepared to play intraday, both downside and upside. So that's what I've been doing last couple of days. I've been playing intraday, both upside and downside, get my cash flow, go back into the cash and wait for the next setup. Okay, volatility has been a nice indicator for that. So volatility right now above 25, needs below 25 for market to resume up. So what I want to see after the market open, if volatility goes right now at 25.3, if it goes below 25, looking here for a squeeze on the market for the upside. Okay, otherwise below if volatility spikes up once again, then the market can fade and we can keep here the range. What I've been saying is that the range is getting tight. Okay, Nasdaq is playing here a tight range. It should move out of this range sooner or later. Okay, so stay open-minded. Above yesterday highs, look for a possible squeeze up, and if we break below the pre-market lows, then we can roll over. And my key support, it will be yesterday lows, as I've explained, Mr. Powell speech lows. Okay, so if you like this video, I'll do it every day from Monday to Thursday to Friday before the market open, to try to help traders to prepare their day. So if you like this video, please give me a like on the video. Also, if you're not following, please subscribe to the channel. It's free, YouTube, and so you can get the next couple of videos and be notified once I get a new video, because the idea is to help traders on these difficult periods of market volatility, trying to find an edge and try to prepare the trading plan for the day. Okay, so if you are on the room, stay tuned. 9 a.m. we'll start the live session on Discord from 9 to 12 every single day on Discord, trading live and talking with traders and showing what I'm seeing and the trades real time. Okay, so thank you all for watching and wish you all a great trading. Stay safe. Bye bye.